Hi, my name is Ketan and thank you for watching this video. In this session, we will see how to prepare an attendance tracker using conditional formatting. The formatting will change according to the date selection and all the week offs will get highlighted. So if we change the date to currently it is 1st of February, so if we change the date to 1st of January, so you will see all the week offs have been changed. So I am just changing it to June 2018. If you see, all the week offs have been highlighted. So we'll see how to prepare this. I have prepared a blank template and we'll see how to do this. So we'll prepare the sheet and we'll see how the column headers are there. So in column headers we required dates to appear and they should change according to cell A1 reference. So in B1 I'll say I required a day, first day of the month, so I'll just give this reference cell A1. Okay, and in this column I don't want the entire date to appear, so I will go to custom formatting. In custom formatting I will just remove this entire thing. I just require to the date to appear. So if we just type DD, so it will say 01. So this will be the first day of the month, and we'll change the formatting in this way. We'll reduce the width of the column. Now accordingly to this reference we required all the month dates to appear. So I'll just add B1 plus 1. So this will be like all the dates should appear till week to the end of the month. So we just will drag this. Okay, we don't require this, and we'll reduce the width. So our template looks correct. So I have prepared this template. Now I'll give a color to this so it will look different. Okay, now my another option will be I required which according to these dates which days are Saturdays and Sundays. So we need to again use the custom formatting for this. So I'll just say is equal to B1 in this B2 column, B2 cell. Now the formatting again appeared the same, so I will just change the custom formatting in this. I'll just say format cells. In custom formatting I'll just say type 3 times D, so it will appear which day it is. So you'll see if first day of the month it is Monday, and I will just drag the entire cell to the last column. I'll just select everything, and okay, now it is appearing correctly. So from first to last day of the month we have all the days appearing. So our objective is not to identify which are the week offs. So let's say these are Saturdays and Sundays, so all these cells need to get highlighted according to the days. So in this way, if we see these are the week offs, so Saturday and Sunday, but not every month you will see that these are the same columns that will highlight. So in February what will happen, the Saturday Sundays might change. So I'll just say if we say 1st of February, the Saturday Sunday has been shifted to 3rd and 4th. So accordingly we will change the formatting. Okay. First thing what you need to do is you need to select the entire table. So I'm selecting the entire table. Okay. We'll go to conditional formatting. We'll say new rule. Okay, in the new in this format we'll use a formula to determine which cell to format. So I'll select this and we have to input a formula in this. Okay, there is a very simple function which we will be using, that is OR function, and there will be two logical tests which will be inputting. Is equal to OR. Now to identify actual what date this cell is referring to, we need to see whether this we need to use text function as well in this. So I'll just say text. I'll select A2 column and we'll lock the row. So A2 column, and we'll change the formatting, text formatting into this. So as per the custom formatting what we have inputted, we'll put 3 times D into this. We'll close the bracket and we'll check the logical test whether this is referring to Saturday. Okay, this is our first logical test. Now the second logical test will be, we need to check whether the A2 column, A2 cell is, whether it is Saturday or Sunday. So first thing is Saturday. Now we'll again type the same text function and we'll check the whether this is Sunday, and we'll close the bracket. Now what actually this function means, that whether this A2 cell is referring to the Saturday or Sunday. So now when we have selected the entire formatting and we have locked only A2 cell, only the row, so the second row of this table has been locked. So when we will drag this function, so entire column, all these columns will get highlighted accordingly, but it will only refer to this weekday columns. So we'll change the formatting, we'll put fill in, so we'll select this color and we'll say OK. So if you have seen, so all the Saturday, Sundays, the logical test has been text with all the columns, and it has checked whether this is a Saturday or Sunday. So if both have both the conditions have matched on Saturday as well as Sunday, all the cells have been highlighted on that column. So let's say whether this has been checked. We'll again change the cell A1 to 1st of January 2018. Yes, it's shifting. So this is the simplest way how we can just use a tracker. So only changing the date. So thank you for watching this video. In the next session we'll see yet another example. Till then, see you, bye.